Hello friends, this is Caroline of Caroline's Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Thank you so much for stopping by. I do have some new subscribers, so thank you so much for being here, and thank you for helping me hit 200 here on this channel. That has been a very long time goal of mine, so thank you very much. This week I'm using this beautiful kit called Lavender by Nicole Alexia Designs. I love using her kits. I find the format very user-friendly, and I'm able to pull in almost everything, every sticker when I use these kits. My date numbers are by Harry Wright Designs. This kit is accented with rose gold foil, so that is the foil color that I'm pulling in throughout the spread. The scripts in my sidebar are also from Harry Wright Designs, with the exception of the gold foiled sort of bar typed scripts on the habit trackers. Those are from and Oops from Murdoch Talks. On the top of Monday, I pulled in an appointment script from Murdoch Talks and a call script from Scribble Prints Co. That file is from Mama Gloria's shop on Etsy, and the telephone is from White Deer Stationery. That script, the Unflow script, is from Letters to Apollo. The Plan With Me Live script is also from Letters to Apollo, and the camera is from Harry Wright Designs. I marked a meeting on Monday with a Once More With Love computer munchkin and a script from Scribble Prints Co. Then I pulled in some boxes for the bottom of Tuesday. The second item on Monday, the emoji is also from, or the munchkin is also from Once More With Love. I marked tidying up with a script from Scribble Prints Co. And our cleaner's coming with a Stick with the Blanco Girl and a clean script from Letters to Apollo. On the top of Tuesday, marking coffee with the scripts from Murdoch Talks and a coffee machine also from Murdoch Talks. Then I pulled in a fancy label with a layering piece and a computer icon from the kit to mark school. That homeschool script is from Sticky Essentials. Pulled in a doodle sticker from the Coffee Monsters Co. and a film script from Nettie Designs to mark filming for a meeting I have for work on Wednesday. I marked work with a script from Scribble Prints Co. and those little ABC icons are from a grab bag from Letters to Apollo. And then I'm just pulling in my bottom two functional boxes there. I pulled in a cloud munchkin from Once More With Love and a planning time script from Scribble Prints Co. to mark memory planning. I pulled in the cutlery icon from the kit and a cook script from Sticky Essentials to mark cooking on Tuesday evening. I made dinner this night. And then I'm just taking the time to pull in my functional items for Wednesday, just to figure out my spacing and how much space in the column each item that I was marking required. Same thing moving over to Thursday. I do like to do this just to make sure that I'm making the most out of the items provided in the kit, and to see if I need to pull anything additional in from my collection or trim anything down, pull in any extra boxes, anything like that. I just sprinkle my functional items throughout the rest of the spread. I usually do this about halfway through the week, just because I do tend to mark 6 things each day. So I know that I need about 6 functional items, boxes, washi strips, layering pieces, etc., to use over the course of each day. I do appreciate that the full boxes in the Nicole Alexia Designs kits come pre-foiled, so I didn't have to mess with overlays or anything like that, or adding too much of my own foil throughout the spread. I do like that part of the process, but it does save time when I don't necessarily have to go through and find additional decorative pieces to add into a spread. I did pull in the bow checklist at the bottom of Sunday just because I was starting to run out of boxes, and a checklist into the couple of checklists into the bottom of Friday, just because I was running out of boxes and washi strips and larger things like that. The top of Monday, I'm marking using a pillow from the kit, and then I use the same way to mark school with that icon from Once More With Love. I'm marking my therapy appointment with a munchkin and a therapy script from Franny Lamb Stickers. I used the box icon from the kit to mark filming a haul this day. On Thursday morning, I copied with my kitty. I used a icon from Wide Deer Stationery to mark that. I marked laundry with an icon from the kit and a Letters to Apollo script. I marked editing with a Letters to Apollo script and a munchkin from Once More With Love. I used a Land Planner Teeny Hugging Mom and a Family Time script from Scribble Prints Co. to mark dinner with my mom. I marked takeout on Friday with another teeny and a takeout script from Scribble Prints Co. I marked dishes with a Wonton and a Million sticker, and the dishes script is from Scribble Prints Co. I marked uploading with a icon from the kit, and the script is from Area Right Designs. I pulled in a coffee leftover deco piece from Kimmy Studio to mark coffee on Saturday, and that Watch YouTube script is from Murdoch Talks. I marked Sleeping In on Saturday with a Mama Gloria pillow, and the Sleep In script is from Scribble Prints Co. That TV to mark Netflix and Chill is from A Paperless Story. Let's see. The Cuddle Time Munchkins are from Once More With Love, and the script is from Scribble Prints Co. I marked grocery shopping with a munchkin and a Letters to Apollo black script. Sunday was very fun. I got to go and snuggle goats, baby goats. So I marked that with a sunshine deco piece and a Snuggles script from the Glitter Mama. I marked editing this video with a laptop from White Deer Stationery. I tidied up and cleaned out our cat box. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you again for 200. Peace, love, and happy planning, everyone. Bye-bye.